This tutorial will show you how to make a cute fleece bunny hat using less than 1 yard of remnant fabric. It includes a free PDF pattern that you can download if you follow the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the 2 sets of bunny ears together. With the right sides together, sew the bunny ears along the perimeter. Then you want to clip the curves and turn the ears to the right side. Now we want to get the hat ready. Fold the hat pieces in half and sew the top on the folded side. Do this with both hat pieces. On one of the hat sides, you want to baste the bunny ears. And then sandwich the bunny ears between both sides of the hat and sew them together through all of the layers. Now we want to get the band at the bottom of the hat ready. So fold the band in half and sew the end together. Then you want to fold the band in half lengthwise. And sew it to the bottom of the hat. To maintain the stretch of the hat, you want to make sure you use a zigzag stitch for this part. After that, just make sure you press the seam and you're all finished. You have a cute fleece bunny hat.